All right, my YouTube family, good. Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday. Have the grandkids here today. We had such a great time. Um, my kids are not, my son, they're not, into the social media for the kids, but we had this bike down here for them. Um, we came down in the basement. Great time with them today. Who's at the front door? Great time today, guys, because we took the truck out and we've been riding from the other side of the basement all the way around to this side of the basement. So it has been such an awesome. Oh, the lights are off. So they have all this empty space to ride around, and they did ride. So today we've just realized that this is the workspace down here, t-shirts and stuff. My treadmill is down there, I'm gonna get on it later. But we realized that when they come and they're upstairs, it is so, you have to keep telling them, don't touch that, don't put it, don't do that. And today we decided that, you know what, let's go downstairs with them. We came downstairs and it was just absolutely amazing. Grayson was climbing this pole right here. So my son put his hands under his feet and he was able to go right to the top and touch the thing up there. Then he called his mom, Mom, come look. So today was just an awesome, awesome day. So I'm just saying that, guys, to say this. It's not just to tell you, but to just tell you whatever quality time you can spend with your children, your grandchildren, whoever it is, for quality time you can spend with them, just spend it with them, guys. Make it count. Make it count. Don't you sit there and it's easy to get frustrated, but you're not, spending good times with your kids and the grand. Because I'm telling you, it's a good feeling. Just to see Gia and Grayson, both are sitting in this little truck, and they make space for each other. The batteries are almost done. They made space for each other in it and they just rode around. Grayson knows how to do the remote control, and it was just an awesome, awesome, awesome family time together. So just do that, guys. Family time counts. Make it count. We chat, we laughed, the good, as I always said, I like the way that Sheree and Christopher have been raising these two kids, because they're not yelling at them, they're not screaming at them, but they're talking to them. Like my son will count down, okay, Grayson, okay, I'm gonna start counting. And so by the time, and Grayson, you should hear him. And my son gets 19, and Grayson will just count 18, 17, 16, and he just finish counting backwards to 1. And it's just amazing, guys. It is amazing. And you don't have to have money for your children and your grandchildren, but time spent, words spoken, positive words spoken. Hold them accountable when they do things. Let them know when you're playing, and let them know when it's serious, and just guide them. Guide them, guide them. Guide them, guide them. You're gonna see how much greatness they have in them. You're gonna see how much common sense they have in them when you give them a little scenario and watch them solving it their way, and you're like, oh my God. I was so shocked when I hear Grayson counting backwards. Grayson is only 3, he'll be 4 in June, and he's counting backwards. So we're thankful for every moment, guys. So create those fun memories. Create them. Create them. You will never regret later on all these moments that you took time to spend. So I'm happy that I was able to. We finished the basement, and it's such a blessing, not only for my t-shirts in the workspace, but also for the kids on this rainy day. It's raining Sunday. It's a rainy Sunday, but we had a lot of fun. And I'm so thankful that they visited, And I decided that instead of just staying upstairs and watching them touch this, and you don't want to break this, and you don't want to do that, but we were able to come down and have some good time down here. So guys, we give thanks to all things, right? Give thanks to all things. And if we are giving thanks and we're hopeful, msbevsproductions, it's the workspace. And we're thankful for all things. God says, if you take care of the little bit, then He will give us much. So let us take care of the little bit, take care of the little kids, take care of the big kids, and God will guide us through. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Yes, guys, as I said before, it's raining Sunday. Raining. That is how we have been downstairs with the kids because we had planned to come outside today. My son had called and said he was going to bring them. We had decided to take them outside here in the back, and he and I was going to walk back and forth doing the laps. But what happened? It's raining. So we had them play downstairs instead. Yep. It's a calm day today. It's a good day to create fun memories where you are. Regardless of what's going on, just create fun memories. Every time you come in the back, you can hear the birds singing. That's Gia Marie, you can hear her. There's a bird on the grass right there. Let's see what she's about. Sheltering the rain. It's not sheltering, just quiet in the rain on the grass. Mary crying. The bird is just there. It's coming down. The rain is coming down more. Grace is calling grandma. Grace is calling grandma. Grayson? 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 I'm in the back, Grayson. I think Jay is sleepy, guys. I'm gonna go in and go see them. I was trying to see if the bird would get up. That's the bird right there, guys. But again, as I said, create your fun memories. It's nice when your kids and your grandkids can want to be around you. And, you know, so just create the memories that they want to come back again and again. Create the memories that if you're not there, they're asking for you, calling you. It's a good feeling, you know? So enjoy your Sunday. We're just going to chill right now. Danny made dinner, so they ate already, and we're good. Giving thanks. So much love to all of you wherever you are. Congratulations, little J Plays. I'm so proud of you. Continue growing your channel and go forth in pace. Go do your watch hours so you can get some monetizations. And for all of those of you who are striving on growing your channel, please, God bless you. And I hope He opens a way for you. Life with Bev Brown, thank you. I see you silent live now because your phone doesn't have a thing, but guess what, Bev Brown? I got you a phone. So on Wednesday, we're going to have a surprise person here with me. And I think that person will get your phone to you quicker than if we ship it on Amazon. Then somebody has to clear it in Jamaica, then charge your arm and a leg to pick it up. So God is good, always providing. And soon you can go live and people can hear what you have to say. Trending Live, continue to grow. Guys, watch her videos so that she can get her watch hours back on track, so she can get back her monetization. Jamaica K Lifestyle, show her some support. She's growing. She's at 100 and something subscribers. So go over and support, guys. Support. Support Beth Brown. She's doing her watch hours. Please help her get those watch hours in. Just had a bird that just came.
Mom.
Yo.
Still in there, Dunkin' Donuts cup.
Yeah, absolutely, son.
No one.
The bird came down. Beautiful. Hey, Grayson. You're asking for Grandma? Grandma's here. No, you're not going outside. We can show his face, guys, but this is the Grayson. I wait. I'm not going to show his face. But here's little Grayson next to me. And Grayson, come look for Grandma. Grandma is here. Grandma is doing a video. Capturing the birds in the backyard. And the rain falling. How are you? Had a good time at Grandma's today? Yeah. Yes.
And I want to see a bird.
You want to see a bird?
Yeah.
There's one on the grass over there, but it's not moving because it's raining. He's just chilling on the grass over there. But let's say we see another bird. There was a bird that just came here, but it's in the video. Daddy leaving.
I'm gone.
Bye, grandson. Oh, that's what Christopher was calling. All right, people, take care. Let me go say bye to the family. I saw the thing on the ring saying somebody at the door. That's what Christopher was calling to say. Hey, my family, take care of yourselves. Enjoy the Sunday. Bye-bye. Yep. More rain, more rain. This is such a good spot because you have the rain. Bye, son.
All right, later.
All right. Bye, my dear. Saw a bird all the way down there. Where is that? Right there. It's right there. Right in the grass. It's no way. It's a rainy, rainy Sunday. It's a rainy Sunday, rainy Sunday. Rainy, rainy Sunday. I can't believe that this walkway was swept yesterday morning. All the things dropping off the trees. Look at that. Just swept clean. Come on, scooter, drive on. Always got my son's scooter from a little kid until now big boy. Hey, scooter. On Friday, I went out on the street, came back, my allergies were killing me. Yesterday, I didn't go out. I stayed in, showered, and just chilled, rested. I'm sure it's alright. And last night, I had a good night's rest. My sinuses are clear. I'm not so stuffy at all. And now with the rain, makes it nicer. Makes it nicer. So I don't know what happened on Friday. All the pollen got me good. So April showers bring May flowers. But boy, we're getting the rain in May too. In Connecticut, it has been a lot of rain. Bye.
All right, later.
Bye.
Hi, YouTube.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
I'm not.
I said, hi, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.
I don't know. Get home safely. Text. My son, my one son. Oh, God have mercy upon them. Just bless them. God, big praise. I'm thankful that they want to be amongst me and my husband, that they come so often to hang out with us. I'm grateful to God for that.